Okay, I want to talk to you about the offense of domestic violence. Our criminal defense firm in Palm Beach recently got a few emails about this charge following 50 Cent's arrest. The rapper was alleged to have kicked his girlfriend and broken some items within the home. His arraignment was last week. He pled not guilty. What I can tell you about this charge specifically is that everything has changed about the way these offenses are handled since the OJ Simpson trial. Specifically, when it comes to police officers getting called out to the scene, I can tell you they're going to defuse a situation by making an arrest 90% of the time. If there's any bit of probable cause, there will be an arrest. Long gone are the days where people are told to leave the house and cool off. Now, some main points about this charge. Most of the time, victims recant. This causes a lot of problems for the state attorney's office, wreaks havoc among the dockets and domestic violence judges. In domestic violence cases now, there's special judges assigned to these cases, which is pretty much exclusive. 90% of the people charged in Palm Beach and Fort Lauderdale are men. Now, most importantly, if I tell you anything, know this: domestic violence is run by the privatization of entrepreneurs that have created batterers intervention programs, women's shelters, any industry that can make a buck off of this. And this was in response to, like I said, the OJ Simpson trial, by use of lobbying for tougher laws, special conditions for people that are convicted, the total playing on the emotions of the American public following that incident involving OJ. Now, in a domestic violence case, it is considered a crime against the state of Florida, not the victim per se. That means that the state can go forward with victim consent or not. A lot of times, victims seek to issue waivers of prosecution. They don't want to cooperate. The state attorney will show teeth and say that they can prosecute a claim for domestic violence, seek a conviction, go all the way, even without a victim. And I guess the law would provide for that, except for the fact that if a victim doesn't come in, doesn't want to come in, and doesn't come in, going forward would violate the Confrontation Clause of our Constitution. Every defendant has the right to confront an accuser. It's fundamental.